after our members gave my good self and our ESCO the opportunity to serve for 4 more years. I am very happy to be starting off my second tenure on this note. And I'm very happy to be starting this journey with a company that is committed towards providing life to all of us. You can just imagine your good self living in this world, on this earth, without drinking water. Ubewu. You will die free. So I'm very happy that on the occasion of my first, so to say, public outing, after I have been given the chance to serve again, I'm here with a company that is interested in saving lives and that is interested in giving strength to all of us and to our footballers. Thank you. I am very, very excited because most people here in present and beyond do not know the quantum of money the FA spends in the purchase of water for all our staff to drink and for our 12 national teams to also drink. We have 12 national teams. If one squad is made up of 30 or 40 players plus 12 or 15 technical team members plus 7 management committee members, you can easily understand the quantum of water that we need on a daily basis. Not only in Pram Pram, but also here at the headquarters and the technical hub. Our footballers, both boys and girls, need water. When you are engaged in any physical activity, you would appreciate the need for enough water to be available to you. If our players do not have enough water, they cannot give us the high performance that we demand of them. So water is very, very important. And for the FA to, at this point in time, have a company that believes not only in my leadership, but believes in the leadership of football to the extent that they want to invest their money and their resources into the Ghanaian game, one can only say thank you. We started some few years ago with the agenda that was targeted at fixing the fundamentals of our football, providing water for our footballers is part of the strategy of fixing the fundamentals. A few years ago, we have to delve into our coffers to use our money to provide water. Sometimes, because of financial constraints, you cannot provide enough. And today, we have a Ghanaian-owned company who are ready to supply all our water needs. The word underlined. All our water needs for the next 12 months. The FA should be appreciated. For those of you who have been involved with football, you would appreciate the quantum of water our footballers consume. They drink a lot. Even for us, ordinary staff, we take in a lot. Minimum 6 of these will be consumed by one person in a day. So for the next 12 months, Aqua Blue Natural Mineral Water becomes the official water partner of our football association. Thank you. I know this company very well. I trust this company and I believe in their services. I have no doubt that Aqua Blue natural mineral water will be available to us as per the details of this sponsorship agreement for the next 12 months. And I believe that beyond the 12 months, because the FA is very interested in a mutually beneficial relationship, they will benefit, we will benefit, and soon they will be coming up seeking to re-engage us beyond the 12 months. My last words, I can assure you that our high-flying Black Queens will drink Aqua Blue water. I can assure you that the necessary nutrients in this water would, going forward, give our Black Stars players the needed energy to win games for us. So what that means is that our Black Stars, beyond today, will be drinking Aqua Blue natural mineral water. And we look forward to winning games and winning tournaments or competitions together. At the end, Aqua Blue natural mineral water and the Football Association should be mutual victors on this journey. On that note, I thank you very much. I thank all of you for coming. I thank the media who have been very, very supportive of our work. Believe me, there will be a lot more coming through the doors to this Football Association because corporate Ghana has the confidence in our sport, and corporate Ghana will show their support for the development of football in our dear country. Thank you.